for bear who loves to be fed. C is for cat with fur soft and bright. D is for dog who barks with delight. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog who jumps all day long. G is for giraffe, so tall and proud. H is for hippo, splashing in a crowd. I is for ice cream, so sweet and cold. J is for jelly, wobbly and bold. K is for kite that soars in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar, oh my. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest, up high in a tree. O is for owl, wise and bright. P is for penguin, sliding with delight. Q is for queen with the crown on her head. R is for rabbit, hopping ahead. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow and polite. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing a lullaby. W is for whale, slim and so free. X is for xylophone with notes of glee. Y is for yak with fur that is thick. Z is for zebra with stripes that are slick. Now we've learned our ABCs, let's sing in